With the ever-increasing number of COVID-19 cases in the city, experts are of the opinion that the second wave of infections might turn out to be worse than the first wave in the next 2 weeks. The city had reported the maximum number of daily cases, 2,848 on October 7th last year. An administrative official of the BMC said that the daily figure might go beyond that in the next 14 days. Mumbai saw the first peak of COVID-19 cases in September and October last year amid the lockdown. The daily cases were between 1,000 and 1,300 from July to September. But from September 8th onwards, the number of daily cases was beyond 2,000 and it took another month to reach the highest level. On October 7th, the maximum number of cases was recorded. Since February 9th this year, the city has been witnessing the second wave. The number of cases in the city crossed 2,000 on 17th March this year. In January and February, the daily cases were on the decline from 600 to 400. On February 9th, there were only 375 cases, which doubled in just 8 days, and 721 cases were registered on February 17th. Within the next 2 weeks, the cases reached 1,103 on March 3rd, and on 17th March, 2,377 fresh cases were registered. A senior BMC official told Midday that if one looks at the growth rate, the cases may go beyond the maximum number that was recorded in the first wave within the next week or two. But the official added that as per the trend in Western countries, the cases reduce rapidly after hitting a peak. Additional Commissioner of the BMC, Suresh Kakani, said that the situation was different in October 2020. The lockdown was in place and there were many restrictions, so the number of cases was increasing slowly. But now that everything is open, including the locals, the cases are increasing very fast. He also said that authorities have increased testing and surveillance and cases are being registered against those who are not following proper quarantine rules. Fines are also being imposed on maskless people. He added that people need to follow social distancing rules and other restrictions to help curb the transmission. One of the other experts told Midday that it will take 2 weeks for the impact of the measures taken to curb the cases to show. Till then, the cases will rise. He also added that the silver line is that many patients are asymptomatic and the death rate is very low in the city. Even the pressure on the health system is lower than what it was in June and July. That's all we have for now. Stay home and stay safe. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.